Hello my friends, this is Chef Maracata, and today I'm going to give you some tips on how to minimize your waste and maximize your budget. And now we're going to be talking about time, and one of the most essential appliances in the kitchen, the microwave. People underestimate it, but you can not only do popcorn, that's a minimal feature, but you can also defrost, you can also make potatoes, soups, rice, you can make everything in the microwave, you can make a cake. It's just a matter of knowing how to manage at the time. And then you can do poached eggs. The easiest way is the water, you have to multiply it by 3. So whatever you're making, let's say you're making lentil soup, whatever soup with vegetable, you have to maximize it 3 times. And for every count, you have to put at least 15 minutes, 45 minutes for a cup of water, of liquid. For you to have like a good soup or soup, you can do many things. Just make sure you use the 3 formula where you have to multiply 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of lentils, 1 cup of whatever you want to boil and cook, and then 3 cups of water of liquid. You can do it in the microwave. It's just like play with the time. You can use popcorn, you can defrost, you can make beverage, tea, and you can make cakes. A mug cake can make it within 1 minute or 3 minutes. So that minimizes the waste of energy and you can maximize your budget. This is one of the tips that we have for like minimize the budget, maximize the tip.